Hey, my children, welcome back to the Motherboards.org YouTube channel. It's me, Captain Love, and today I want to share with you a little love and love glove. Why am I going to share? Well, I got something cool for you, my children. Something beautiful, something exciting. We're going to look at a 1500 watt power supply. It's powerful, it's big, it's strong. It's going to make your system be big and gnarly. So let's jump right in and take a look at the unboxing today with my Dr. Love glove. All right, so check it out. Here we have in front of us the Thermaltake Tough Power 1500 watt 80 plus silver edition power supply. Now, this thing comes with a great 5-year warranty. It sports SLI crossfire. You can see it sports 4-way and 4-way, the crossfire SLI. This thing has a 50,000 hour long life solid capacitor build and uses Japanese made capacitors, so it should last a really long time. So now that we've seen the outside of the box, let's jump in and see what's on the inside of the box. So we'll set this thing down. We'll go ahead and open it up. Power supplies always contain a lot of stuff, always. So here we can see it's a Tough Power 1500 watt. Got your 80 plus silver again. Get that out of the way. Remove that. That thing's awful sticky. The glue's still on there. Crazy. Kind of interesting though. I should stick it to the cameraman's head. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? You guys would like that. I know you would. All right. So anyways, right off the bat, we can see that it has a little bag here, and it's a semi-modular power supply, since not everything's modular. And one thing different about it is the power cord that plugs into it, kind of just going in a weird order here, but the power cord that plugs into it isn't your standard one. This is a big, gnarly one. This only comes on really like industrial power supplies. Got different slots and everything else. Really nice, thick cable. Then we have some stuff for cable management right here. These all come in a bag. There's the clipping things. You can just pin them over and they stick to each other so you can get all your cables out of the way. They work pretty good. Little zip tie things there with Velcro. I'm going to take a look at the power supply right here. Like we said, it's semi-modular. Some of the things are modular, some of them aren't. So basically on this one, anything that has to do with power is not modular. All of the power things, we can see right here, I'll go ahead and do this in a good angle from you guys. All the power things right here are all right here. So anything to do with your power is basically going to be right here. All this stuff is for your motherboard power, I should say. Anything that goes to your motherboard is going to be here. Even looks like you have a couple of 6 and 8 pins here as well for basic setup. So it looks like this power supply could be used in a couple of different ways. You either use it the way it is with these limited connectors, or you can expand out through all of these slots right here. You can see these ones right here. Peripheral connector, PCIe connector. I'll just go ahead and flip the power supply around to the side, show you guys it. This thing's heavy and it's pretty long too. So here are the specs. I'll get the camera to zoom in here so you guys can check that out. Okay, flip it around, you can see once again, then this side says the same thing. Underneath, we have a nice big fan right here. The old Thermaltake TT thing is right there as well. On the rear, now, one thing I do not like about this power supply, right off the bat, I gotta say, is that I do not see an on and off switch. Now, for me, man, I gotta say, out of all, to be a 1500 watt power supply and then not have the little on and off switch, man, I'm really disappointed here. It does have an input voltage little light here, but there is no actual button. I gotta say, that's gonna be a downgrade for me. I'm not gonna really like that much. I hope the power supply everywhere else is good, otherwise I'll have to be kicking these guys in the teeth for that. But this is just the unboxing, so we'll keep going. Move this out of the way. Here are all the additional cables as well. So you can see it comes with an abundance of cable. All the stuff for your SATA, for your VGA, everything is going to be in here. So now, the reason I'm really doing this unboxing too, you guys, is there's going to be new stuff coming out in the next couple of weeks. You guys might have seen our video where we said something's going to be released on November 15th. Well, when November 15th comes, we're going to have this really super killer build, and this is going to be the power supply it's going to be in. It's going to be powering 2 Mars 2 cards, so be on the lookout for that. But anyways, today, this is the unboxing of the Thermaltake Tough Power 1500 watt semi-modular power supply. Thanks for watching.